Quality Honda Accord wheel spacers are essentially safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, actuated by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Honda Accord hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the hub century weight is not placed on any Honda Accord wheel spacers installed. Instead, the Honda Accord hub century wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub century Honda Accord wheel spacers are designed with a hub century in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it flush against the mounting plate. Therefore, Honda Accord wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. The quality Honda Accord wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Honda Accord wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember, the forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to the traditional spacers, forged aluminum Honda Accord wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provides a longer service life. Selecting the best Honda Accord wheel spacers ensures safety and is almost always save money in routine maintenance. The BONOSS forged multi-stage wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub century measuring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the center of the line of the Honda Accord wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS forged Honda Accord hub century wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Honda Accord wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petrol shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged active cooling Honda wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.